nothing really harmful that's going to hurt you or anything. You don't have to give some of this stuff. You know, you don't have to give your experience and stuff if you don't want to. I think you can just put dashes in there and expertise and stuff. But this kind of lets you know who the person is. This is Chris Lane, who's in charge of all the product release and stuff right now. And you can put a picture of yourself, and that looks like Chewbacca to me. But again, this guy has no hair at all, so it's not that. That's not his.
It's wishful thinking.
Yeah. But there's some different things up the top, like my different places. You can bookmark things even and stuff. Communities, what's possible. Panoptix. Panoptix is that's only available through our branch site. It's like an energy software suite too, like an Energy Essentials, and then the Facility Explorer. And then there's different communities too, I think, that you have to follow. Go into the Facility Explorer here. If you can get on this one, make sure. So the back through here.
What's the difference between the Pro and the other one on the right?
So the Pro FX User.
Yeah, that's the one
has all this different documentation as far as, again, we have like a little learning center up here. I'll show you. Okay. BAS stuff, the VAVs, HVAC, networking, refrigeration. So even if you just click on it, of course you're going to log in. I don't think you can do that. I don't even know my password.
Oh, is that thing going to have you changing your password every 90 days also?
Probably.
It's okay. Thank you. I just bring boring.
I hate the new ones because now almost all of them you have to put in, I don't know if anybody else has to do that. Like you got to put pound signs and signs and dollar signs.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Number,
horrible.
letter,
That's to
upper,
do with
lower,
how
symbol.
secure it is.
Okay. That didn't work.
So you used your email as the user.
Yeah. That's right. Oh, I forgot my pound at the end. No?
No? You got one more shot at it, it'll kick you out.
You're just doing that to make the rest of us feel better.
Brady does that.
No, actually I'm not.
You gotta go look it up?
Yeah.
No, it should have, I know that's what it is. Randy.l.f@gcn.com. I don't know what's going on. Try it one more time.
It should lock you out before you go around.
It's just like you forgot your password.
That's it, Randy.
Let's try it. Oh, jeez,
Yeah, no, probably send an email.
Still making mistakes.
Oh, you can't find me.
Apparently you've been
Randy.
fired and no one told you.
Wow. You want to go back out? No. Well, I'm going to find out why. I can get here, which doesn't make sense, except for that learning center. Let me go down and we'll try something else first. So, marketing material. Let's just try one of those. See if one of those pops. I think it's because that train thing. They're adding more things to it. Yeah, so I can get to other stuff. So, FX supervisory controller brochures. There's also some things listed in here. You know, here's the actual. Here's stuff that even for our distributors and everybody really. I mean, this really just makes it simple because Angie was asking earlier about how do we find a few different things and some spec sheets and stuff. And for anybody new, everything's at this site now. So you can jump right on it. You can open it or save it. You know, from the spec sheets and stuff. And then we go back. So just to show you that, from marketing material, quick links. The ABCS Exchange site, someone say it's going away. It's the only way you can access the Exchange site is through this now. If that makes sense. Eventually it's going to go away. But right now, as far as I know for a while, to get to the ABCS Exchange site, it's going to look like this.
They must have just recently done that, because that kind of problem also.
Well, I'll show you that in a minute too. So now you can actually get to the ABCS Exchange site through the FX Pro community. If you click on Facility Explorer, oh, sorry, this one. And I think it says it already. It says, the Facility Explorer ABCS Exchange site now has moved to the Facility Explorer Connected Community. So if you were able to, some of you guys may not be able to get to it now through just going straight to the ABCS Exchange site. You have to go through the Connected Community. And again, you can see all this stuff is still going to be there. So documentation, instruction videos, I'm sorry?
You're not logged in the community, are you?
Yeah.
You are logged in?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm logged in the community.
Oh, okay, okay.
So even for the asset tool, for the PC controllers, I just want to look on I was going to see if there was something on the weather thing on here, but I don't see one. So there's things for setting up scheduling, importing devices, backnet polling, alarming, upgrading. These are all videos that are set up already in there that you can actually go and sit and watch the video, and goes through step by step on how to do everything, how to do the controllers. Here's some stuff, the standard things on how to do standard PIDs and with PRAC, without PRAC, PCT overview, programming example, modifying standards. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Really good stuff. In my opinion, if you want to learn about the really quick and simple, that's the way to do it. Technical literature, you can get to any of all the specs and everything, to Johnson stuff, again, from commercial to Metasys to anything you want, security, VAV boxes. Again, all of that stuff is available to you guys too. So all the VAV box stuff, information is available also. It didn't keep me on my site, did it? Looks like it took me out, didn't it?
The minute you go to the
Exchange site, it took me out.
takes you out. It does have a few quirks.
I'm still logged in though. So again, quick links to the Exchange site. There's a damper selection tool, sizing dampers and stuff. Knowledge database, literature, repair center, variable speed drives, pricing, just all kinds of things. Cross-reference. One of the things too is those N2 VAV controllers. We talked about, we have the new model coming out. Any of the old VMA 1620s, if you guys are going to change them out, hang on to them. Because I'm pretty sure we're going to offer money back. And then where you send it back to our repair center, and they're going to start repairing some of them too. So you can still have them if you need them on a job. But you may want to hang on to those and we give you money back. So say if you're changing out a job that's got 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 of them, hang on to those things. So you can get a credit back. I don't know what the credit is yet or anything else. I just remember that. The VAV selection tool, it's all quick links for everything. There's some open question stuff that goes on.